Hi guys, it's time to build something very cool again. Nordic Power Group build just started. Here is the logo of the group build. The main theme is to build a Nordic related vehicle. Finland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden and Denmark. And from any era. So I decided to build an airplane or two from the Finnish Winter War era, which is one of my favorite part of the Second World War. Because when I was a young pup, I read a lot about the Finnish Winter War, and I was always amazed by the Finnish soldiers' heroic fight. So I traded in one of my older model kit to this early Blenheim to build a Finnish Bristol Blenheim from AIRFIX. The Finnish decals are not part of the original kit. I bought them from SBS model kits. You can read the catalog number below. As you probably see, this is a very modern new tool model kit. If you are familiar with my older videos, you know that I built a lot of old tool model kits from AIRFIX. But I never built a new one like this. So this model kit will move me out of my comfort zone during the build process. The question is, can I build a nice model kit from this spruce? Something's what makes me proud when I look at it. Something's what I satisfied with. Well, the model kit is not ready yet, and fails happen sometimes. So follow me in this journey. You may ask, hey Richie, what is the plan? The plan is to make a two-part video. This will be the part 1, and the part 2 comes when I finish at the model kit. And another question, Richie, you will build modern model kits from now on? No, my friend, no. My heart belongs to the retro model kits. But sometimes I build kits like this, just for variety. Okay, so what are my first impressions of this new tool model kit? It fits nicely, it contains lot of parts, it doesn't need any upgrade parts at all, because it is detailed perfectly. The only fitting issue what I had so far is the fitting of the clear parts, but nothing what I cannot handle. Now you can see the state of the model kit at the end of the video part 1. In the upcoming episode I will finish the model kit and I will show you the result. When will be the next episode uploaded? I don't know, I'm a really slow kit builder. As I said, the kit is not finished yet. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do. Thank you for watching.